Friends, Matt Leger here. Gone is the beard of the past, and hello is the stubble of today. I figured less beard would make for easier gardening. No, actually, I had a business trip and thought it would look more appropriate to have less beard and more stubble. Anyway, enough about facial hair. I wanted to give you an update about the garden here. So a couple little things I want to share. As the black flies and mosquitoes eat me alive, I will start on the right side of the garden here, and you can see we've done a little bit of things. It's been about, maybe a week or two since my last video, so to bring you up to speed, we have made the paths here. As you can see, everything's well laid out. We had these sticks here until recently, but those have been removed. No need for those anymore. Just about to use our salvaged wood over there to start making the bed frames. But we have done the paths with wood chips, as I said last time. We covered the beds. These are 3 by 12, by the way, just in case you're wondering, and there's 5 of them once again. But yeah, we covered them up with cardboard, lots more wood since last time after our windstorm. So this will keep it down. It has been keeping it down actually quite well. And the grass is not dying off as fast as I liked. So my neighbor had an automatic tiller, and I know that's frowned upon these days and looked down on, but you know, it's our first year. We're trying to get ourselves started here, and we decided to do some tilling with the automatic tiller, and it worked really well. But of course, we've disturbed our soil here, and we'll take probably a couple years for it to get back to the way it was. But that said, we can now garden. So all the grass is dead. We put the cardboard back on, since that's going to be the bottom layer of our lasagna stack, and that will mix into the soil and create all kinds of good mulch and stuff for our soil. We're going to stack onto this the soil, obviously, some topsoil and some fertilizer, organic manure is what I mean by that. But anyway, you can clearly see the 5 beds now. They're a little bit more obvious, and the 4 pathways between. Now, we had talked about doing a contour in wood chips as well, but we're going to hold off on that for now. And one more thing I can show you. It's going to be a long video today, of course, just small little updates as we go. But we got some burning bushes. I think that's what they're called, burning bush. I know it sounds like an STD, but these 2 guys right here, so left and right, let's call them Harry and Frank. So Harry and Frank are now part of our little lilac bush over here, and there's some other plants, I forget what they are, some stuff growing in between, and we've got our well there, which is what these plants are supposed to be kind of hiding, since it's sort of an eyesore, but everybody's got a well. Well, so that's pretty much it, my friends. Again, just wanted to bring you up to speed on where we're at. We are newbies, so keep that in mind, and we're taking it nice and slow, nice and easy. It's a setup year, first year of the garden, so we're taking it nice and easy. And I did look into it. It is fine to have your well near your garden, but of course you want to make sure that you have a very good filtration system, which we do. We have reverse osmosis, and we've got the iron ox as well. But you want to make sure that you don't use any chemical fertilizers when you're making your garden near a well, for obvious reasons. You don't want any chemicals seeping into your water reserve. So that is pretty much it, my friends. So the next time that I make a video, I will have these, hopefully as many as I can use, all of them actually, but to make as many beds as I can, frames that is, with that salvage wood. It's still in good shape. It got rained on a couple times, but it should be fine. So yeah, so that's it for today, my friends. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you on the next one, when hopefully we've made a little bit more progress here in our garden, and I'll have more updates to share with you. Take care and happy gardening.